Welcome to your lecture on youth trust and circles of belongings. This lecture is part of your paper on youth, media and society. In this lecture, you will learn the importance of positive youth development, which is the need of the hour. The youngsters who are bombarded with lot of negative things nowadays need a helping hand and a positive outlook towards life, which can be a turning point in their lives. The overall development of a youth personality not only depends on his primary circle of his family and friends, but also on many external factors. Therefore, this lecture will give a sneak peek into how new media can be used as a prominent tool for gaining the trust and create a sense of belongingness towards the overall development of youth in the country. Let us begin by discussing the concept and working of circle of belonging model, its usefulness and how it can be applicable in your daily life to create a great persona for yourself as a confident and go-getter in this competitive world. Concept and importance. Trust and circle of courage youth today are the strongest point for any nation to be developed and emerge a winner in all spheres. Their presence and contribution to the progress of a society can't be taken lightly. The young minds tend to get diversion and distraction in every step of their lives and end up with the long lasting regrets of life. They are more energetic, innovative, enterprising and pioneering if they are diverted towards the proper track. At the same time, today, the youth have become more aggressive, vulnerable, indifferent and irrational in their approach towards life. The main reason behind such a drastic change among them at the present juncture is directed towards the extensive use and consumption of media in different aspects. The media has its own way of molding a personality of a consumer. The misuse of it can lead to many uncalled troubles of life. Let us look at the concept circle of courage, closely origin of the concept. The concept was developed and introduced in the year 1988 by Larry Brentro, Steve Van Bocken and Martin Bockneck at international conference in the USA. Since then, people find it easy to understand all aspects of teaching and learning. The conceptual framework, the circle of courage, is based on a model of youth empowerment. The core theme of this model is to set the shared values must exist in any community of learners. which includes teacher training, public institutions, so that a conducive environment is created for learning. This model is encompassed with 4 major values: belongingness, mastery, independence, generosity. We will discuss the mentioned values closely. Belongingness. According to Abraham Maslow, model of hierarchy of needs, about the emotional connection of individuals to stay connected. Having such a secure bond with others will promote a feeling of self-worth needed and promotes in nurturing attachments among the fellow youth. They need to be valued and make them feel important and welcomed by friends, family and colleagues, which will in turn help them to develop the sense of belonging in a group. Mastery. It's very necessary to get competence in the areas of strength, willingness to learn new skills, knowledge bases, and thus making one more capable of taking up new challenges. Youth who are strong in their willpower will go an extra step to make their dreams happen with mentors and manage themselves from self-learning. Independence. Youth never like control. They need opportunities and independence to prove their worth. They can accept responsibilities, prove themselves, and manage a self-image for themselves. A well-developed autonomy can make them learn as to how their decisions influence their destiny. Any youth with a strong sense of independence feel in control of themselves. Generosity. Youth need opportunities to engage themselves in helpful and thoughtful behaviors. By doing so, they develop a kind of strength and a helpful inclination towards their immediate surroundings. They will become more empathetic and contribute their might for the overall development of their fellow beings. All these 4 core values are intertwined and help the growth of a young individual in a positive way. Therefore, Circle of Courage is a model of positive youth development. It basically integrates philosophies of child rearing, the heritage of early pioneers in education and youth work, and contemporary resilience research. Let us look at another concept now, that is circle of trust. Concept of circle of trust. The circle of trust approach is basically distinguished by the principles and practices wherein people find a safe domain for nurturing personal and professional integrity. Knowledge from skilled facilitators which will have the power to transform individuals, communities, place of work and families. Application of this model in youth development using new media technologies. Now that we have learned the concepts, we will discuss how to apply them. In the present times, new media technologies in the form of social media, blogs, and interactive platforms have made it easy to assess and adopt these concepts in our daily activities. The new media has been providing a platform for youth in indulging various activities which can foster their abilities for a overall development of their personalities. The new media helps in the following: creating a sense of belonging. New media usage has made the world a global village, breaking all the geographical, physical, cultural barriers. The connectivity concept have made a long-lasting bondage among its users, especially youth, who make use of these platforms for creating bondage, friendship. The activities like creating page on Facebook wherein common things can be discussed, knowing the perspectives of many at one go, providing a sense of independence. Youth, especially the present Gen X, avoids control. They need freedom and expect their voice to be heard. The new media has given this freedom of airing their voice and provide them independence. It gives them confidence and helps in molding opinions of many. They are free to speak their minds out through their blogs, pages, videos, which they create for their ideas to be communicated to the outer world. Mastering new skills. Experiment is the new mantra of the day. Keeping yourself updated is what is being expected from the youth. New skills can be taught and learnt via new media. Youths are gearing up day by day in making their dreams a reality. Gone are the days when teaching and learning was restricted within a four wall of the home or educational institutions. With new media options, various apps of all variety have added to the skill development of youth, be it language skill, technological skill, professional skills, and so on. Generosity. Youth need diversion and space to showcase the human side of them too. New media platforms have provided them an ample space and content to make it happen. Youth are learning a lot through such posts on social media. They are able to learn the nitty-gritty issues of life. Give and take policy is being extensively used via social media. They are ready to lend their helping hand for the needy, which they do it for their personal satisfaction too. New options for youth: information, is power today, and it really matters that you flow along with the tide. The new media options has become a major tool for these youngsters to take up the driver's seat to lead the right path. New media interventions has solved and made many issues confronting our youths. The medium can be used for the following: exploring the intersection of the universal stories of human experiences with personal stories of their lives, sustaining their decisions, advising, correcting one another through the medium, creating spaces that are open and hospitable for one another, using multiple modes to find his or her dream and pace, nurturing each other dream, honoring confidentiality, gives them a deeper commitment to leadership and service to others, helps in building institutions to pursue their passion, greater confidence to create and seek support from community. The circle of belongingness and trust also helps the youth in mastering the 10 most important qualities in life, namely acceptance, simple way of acknowledging your thoughts, emotions and your life, staying calm, paying attention to your emotions and learn to tolerate uncomfortable feelings, be authentic, be true to yourself, express what you feel and what you want, be realistic, be prepared for the worst situation, it may occur anytime, trust in you, believe in yourself, be optimistic and trust your abilities, improvise, stay creative and try to improvise, see the opportunities and be flexible. Gratitude. Focus on what you have rather than cribbing on things you don't possess. Work hard. Take responsibilities and work hard. Ask help from others when needed. Find purpose. Look for a way to utilize yourself as best as you can. Support. Have at least one person who cheers you and on whom you can turn to in crisis. Youth today have many needs and requirements. The circle of trust and belonging provides a model to understand the importance of a youngster's well-being. We expect youth to develop as skilled problem solvers and learn a lot of activities by displaying their act of kindness and innovativeness. New media today is offering them a lot on a platter and are on the edge of evolution in education and making our society broader in terms of understanding and use this medium to turn the tide towards a healthier and respectful community. New media blend of concept of trust and belonging. The new media has opened up a new opportunity for the youngsters to experiment with all the ideas available to them. With this, the acceptance level of fellow being have taken a high note. Youth accept people from all walks of life until and unless they have the same compatible level. The medium brings them together to assess, discuss, debate and conclude on certain issues. The trust level and being realistic and practical in certain situation is needed. Many a times, youth tends to divert and land themselves in a situation which is out of their control. The every purpose of the new media is to bring people closer. The youth today needs to improvise, get accustomed to situations sometimes. In such scenarios, many issues pertaining to youth, their struggle and their behavior management are completely neglected. What needs to be focused is the skill-based program and activities which can bring a transition in them. Looking outside the boundaries of traditional point and level systems can be one way to eliminate these problems. New media provides a peak to be able to think and act outside the box for the development of youth as a whole. It helps in the development and exchange of intercultural practices and communication too. Conclusion. I hope at the end of this lecture, you have learned the concept of trust and belongings approach is based on movement of social change. Every social movement, whether big or small, can be animated by active participation, respect for human identity and integrity. The mediums, if used and channelized for the development of youth, they can be an authentic source of personal and social healing and a power of social change. The medium, though, have ample disastrous implication on their minds. Positivity can induce a sense of responsibility among its users, especially the youth. So, it's high time in creating an educational climate that fosters motivation, capacity building and resilience among learners. The media literacy component, which deals with assessment, consumption, understanding and usage of media, needs to be imparted among the youth to know the benefits and disadvantages of its extensive habit. Therefore, I hope that the importance of media literacy its presence, and how it can help youngsters in creating a better place has been understood from this interaction. For more details, please read the module on this lecture carefully and attempt the questions in the end. Thank you.